Hello, my name is Evan Donovan, and today I'm going to be doing a brief training on how to identify the most significant assignments in one of your courses. So here's a brief introduction to how assignments work in Canvas. The assignments are listed in the Assignments tab, but they come in different types: papers, book summaries, discussion forums, chapter quizzes, sometimes midterm and final exams. Those types of assignments are grouped together in assignment groups on the Assignments tab, which I'm going to show in a minute. Some types of assignments are usually weighted more heavily than others within a course. That means that they count for more points in the course than others do. This is often because they're linked to the most important learning outcomes for a course and they require more advanced thinking skills. So you should spend the most time preparing for and working on the most heavily weighted assignments. The most common mistake that students make is spending too much time studying for low stakes quizzes and not enough time on major projects. So I'm going to be showing you an example now that demonstrates how to identify what are the most significant assignments in a course. So this course is organizational behavior. You can see the assignments in the Assignments tab on the left-hand side. So I won't go through counting all these right now, but the calculation is done through counting. You can see in the projects group, for example, there's 5 and there's 49% of the total. That's the highest. So now going back to our presentation, I can show you the steps for you to do this for yourself. First, you get the weights for the assignment group from the right-hand side of the course syllabus page. You can also get them from the assignments page, but the syllabus page shows them a little more simply. So going back to the course, you can click here on the left-hand side on the syllabus page, and you can look on the right-hand side and you can see projects 49, like we already saw, discussions 30%, live meetings 9%, quizzes 12%, for a total of 100%, all the assignments in the course. Then for a second step, we count the number of assignments in a group by looking at the groups on the assignments page. So going back to the course, we can see in the assignments page, like I said, there's 5 here. And then if we count these, there's 9 in the discussion forums, 3 in the live meetings, and 3 under the quizzes. So then going back once again, our final step, divide the weight of the group, as it was on the syllabus page, by the number of assignments in the group. And that will show you how much the assignments in that group are worth on average. So for example, for this course, organizational behavior, the projects were 49% of the total grade. And the number of projects in the course, 5. 49% divided by 5, it's about 10%. And this means that each part of the final project is worth around 10% of the final grade, so a significant amount. So here's a table that shows that for the other groups as well. The discussion forums, 3%, the live meetings, also 3%, and the quiz is 4%. But however, note there's less of the quizzes than there are some other things that are 3%, like the discussion forums. So therefore, conclusion, you should spend the most time working on the final project. It's a significant fraction of the number of hours in the course, although you have to bear in mind there's also readings and videos that will count toward your hours as well. In the discussion forums, they're the next highest weighted. By weight, I mean the percent here. So each discussion has the same percent as a live meeting, but they're 3 times as many discussions, so they take up more of the grade for the course. And you should not spend nearly as long preparing for the quizzes as you do for the final project, 49% versus 12%. That's a significant difference. So I hope that this has clarified things for you in this regard.